Hello everyone, happy October 10th. Today we celebrate birds, mental health, and the joy of handbags. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's World Migratory Bird Day, a soaring celebration of feathered travelers and nature's beauty. A great gift could be a birdwatching guidebook, a pair of binoculars, or a bird-themed wall calendar. What's your favorite bird to spot? Let's chirp in the comments. Next, it's World Mental Health Day, a powerful reminder to care for our minds and support one another. A thoughtful gift could be a mindfulness app subscription, a self-care kit, or a cozy weighted blanket. How do you recharge your mental wellness? Let's share and support below. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's National Handbag Day, a stylish celebration of fashion, function, and flair. A great gift could be a designer-inspired tote, a handbag organizer insert, or a purse charm set. What's your go-to bag style? Let's accessorize the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events, and be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for November 6th to 10th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.